On today's episode on What's Cooking, we have this delicious, moist chocolate cupcake. Come along, let's make this together. So, first of all, I'll prepare the dry ingredients by sieving the flour. This is 1 cup of all purpose flour, and then 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. It's good to sieve it to prevent lumps and other particles. Then this is 1 cup of sugar, but you can reduce this if you don't want too much sugar, if you're not a sweet tooth. So this is half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll just mix this together and set aside. Then to the wet ingredients, I have half cup of cooking oil, then I have 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You'll do this if you don't have buttermilk, but if you have buttermilk, just go ahead and use 1 cup of buttermilk. And that's 1 teaspoon of flavor, and this is 1 egg. So I'll just mix this up together and then I'll go ahead and mix it, combine it together with the dry ingredients. This is so simple and easy to make. You can make it even in the morning for your kids to take to school and all of those stuff. So it's very easy and straightforward. So you mix them together and whisk it properly. Just mix it until it's very smooth, and then you're ready to bake. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you're new here, please click the red subscribe button, like, share, and comment. So now we are going to set our cupcake wraps in our cupcake pan. So if you pour it in gradually, let it not be too full, let it be just as you can see it a little bit before it's full, so it doesn't pour over or whatever. Let the outcome be very perfect. So you want the batter at this level in your pan. So you're ready to bake now at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. But I don't have oven thermometer, so I just reduced my oven flame to medium and I baked for 20 minutes. So you can also use that method. So now I just tasted it with a toothpick and it came out clean, and I know it's ready. So our chocolate cupcakes are ready, and I got 12 from this cupcake. From that recipe, I got 12. So you can see how moist and very nice this is. So you can give this a try. The only thing I'll do differently is to reduce the sugar, because actually that 1 cup of sugar was too much for me. So if you're not a sweet tooth, you can reduce your sugar also, and you'll enjoy this. Look at that. Wow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow by the grace of God. So we are going to do this vlog together. Bye.